Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Chatbot to Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix admin dashboard, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Design Site. Once you have tapped on Design Site, you'll be redirected to the editor page. And once on your editor page, as you can see right here, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on the 4 boxes that says Add Apps. After tapping on Add Apps, you're going to tap on Search Apps right here, the search bar right here, and you're going to type in Chatbot. So let's do that real quick. You're going to type in Chatbot. Then from there, you're going to tap on Chatbot. Then you are going to see numerous Chatbot apps that you can use. The one that I would recommend you use is the Wix Chatbot. So you are going to simply scroll down until you see Wix Chat, as you can see right here, and you are going to tap on it. And if it isn't installed, you can simply tap on Installed, or you can tap on Add again. Let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you will see it right here. And now all you'll need to do, if you like to set it up, all you have to do is tap on the box right there. Then you're going to tap on Settings. And once it loads up, you will be able to organize your chatbot. You can see right here. And from here, you can arrange the display by simply tapping on Display. So if you'd like to move it from the bottom right hand corner and you like to move it to the bottom left, you could do that right there by simply tapping on it. If you would like to display a new message, so instead of it automatically open chat, you could simply tap on Show Bubble Notification. You could do that by tapping on that if you want. And you can also organize the design by tapping on Design. So if you would like to add your business logo, you can do that. And if you would like to organize the minimize chat, you can tap on Minimize Chat and you could change the background color. You can also change the layout, as you can see right here. And by tapping on it, you can automatically see the changes, as you can see right there. So I would prefer this small bubble right there. And if you would like to change the text and icon, you can do that. You can change the text color if you want. You can also change the text by simply tapping on Texts. Then from there, you can edit the script if you want right there. And you can also scroll down and right where you see we'll respond as soon as we can, you can change that message if you want. And if you would like to organize or create a chat form, you can simply tap on Chat Form, and then from there you'll be able to create a pre-chat form which will collect visitors' info with a short form that adds them to your contacts. So you can organize that by simply tapping on this right here. And also you can organize your notifications. So if you would like to, as you can see right here, inbox notifications are sent to these emails on new chat messages. So you can choose whether you would like to add a new email address instead of your general email address that you use to create your website. You could add that email right there. And if you would like to set up an automation, meaning that once someone finishes talking to your chatbot, they are redirected to something else, you can do that by tapping on Manage Automation. And you can also set up channels, as you can see right here. And this will let your visitors reach out with their favorite platform. For example, WhatsApp or Messenger. So you can also set that up if you want. All you'll have to do is simply tap on Manage Channels. Once you have tapped on Manage Channels, you'll be redirected to a new page. As you can see right here, you are redirected back to your dashboard. Then all you'll need to do now is scroll down and you'll see the option Add More Channels to your chatbot. And you'll tap on Get Started. Then after you have tapped on Get Started, if you would like to add WhatsApp all you'll need to do is go over to the WhatsApp settings option, then tap on that. Then you're going to input your business WhatsApp number or your WhatsApp number overall, and you'll simply tap on save, and you're going to toggle on WhatsApp. Also, if you would like to add Messenger, you can see that Messenger is coming soon, and they will soon set up phone call also. So you can see that more features are coming to Wix, and this is how it is going to look, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And by the way, if you want to make any other changes, you can tap on general right there, and you can make any other changes you want, as you can see right here. So you can set it up to your liking. And thanks again for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.